This is a Wolfpack edition, the place where I came 3-4 months ago to replace all the discs and the brake pads in my car. Now I'm back again, and this is the reason why. Listen, do you hear that? Yep, do you hear that? It's been 4 months now, and then my car is still making this noise. So I'm back for that. That is just bad, it pains through my heart. This sound is too much. It's hurting me. So, what my car has been experiencing is different. In the front wheels, I get the noise that you heard. And on the rear wheel, it's a different noise. The noise that comes from the rear wheels, it feels like a steel rubbing against a steel, but it's not making the noise that you heard from the front disc or brake pads. Okay, so he decided to start checking from the back one, and then when he was checking, believe me, he could not see anything, nothing whatsoever. And the surprising fact about this thing is that when it's making this noise that comes from the back, if I speed up a little bit, then I hit on the brake, or I pump the brakes, that noise stops and go. But 2-3 days or even a week, then the noise is gonna come back. Right now, since I took this car to this guy to inspect it, it's been about a week that noise has been gone. It hasn't been back yet. And then the sad part, or the worst part, is that while he was checking, he did not hear anything. He did not see anything. I mean, even while he was test driving the car, that noise was not there. But the reason I went to see him is because the day before and the day in the morning, it was making that noise. And that noise is irritating. As irritating as the one that you heard from the front wheel. What surprises me is that the discs, rear discs, front discs, brake pads, everything is brand new. Okay, from the store called what, Korea, Hyundai, Kia, spare parts, something like that. I bought them there. If you want to know, go and watch the previous video, because the previous video was during the time that I was replacing all these things. But this is just a video after I've driven the car for around 4 months, it's still making noise. So after checking the rear wheels and the front wheels and not finding anything, he suspected there could have been some dust that caught between the disc and the brake pads, stuff like that, he could not see anything. And then he said I should take the car home. Then if this continues, especially the ones at the rear wheels, if it continues, then I must bring the car back, then he can check the brake mechanism. That means that now you have to open these old things that you see here in Tlatlamolla and everything else, now take it apart and stuff like that. That's what he said he's going to do next if this noise continues. But fortunately, since I've visited him, it's been a week now, and then there is no noise whatsoever. But the noise in the front wheels, it's still there. Yeah, the noise in the front wheel is still there. And then that one, he said it's kind of normal. And when I ask some people as well, it's normal. What I must do, I must go to the any spare shop and buy a spray, brake pad spray cleaner, something like that, and then spray on the disc. It might deal with the dust or particles that are caught in between that are making this to make noise. So I'm gonna do that. Yeah. Yeah, quick question. Why is it when you have a car problem that you've experienced at home, and then when you decide to take it to the mechanic, when you get there, that problem stops. When you go home, the problem comes back. When you go to the mechanic again, problem stops. Why do cars do that? Why? I'm driving now, going to buy this brake pads cleaner spray. I'm not really sure of his name, but I'm sure when I get where I'm going to buy it, they are going to educate me on exactly. Damn, look at that. Look at that. Okay, let's go. Yeah, that was an S63, if not mistaken. That can't be a C. That was an S63. Yeah, so I'm going to buy this spray. Yeah, I'm almost there. Skim sabona hi good. Skim sabona skim sabona skim sabona skim sabona skim sabona we're here. It's Midas. Yeah, I'm coming to buy this thing at Midas. So now I'm outside Midas, as you can see. I'm gonna just park just here on the first available parking spot. Yeah, so I'm gonna park here and then let me get out of here. Okay, I'm here at Midas to buy the spray that is going to help my brake pads from screaming sound. So I hope it really works. I really hope, because that sound is irritating, you know. I don't like that. So let's go in. Last time I checked, the entrance was on the sorry, entrance here. Okay, I got into the store. I saw them. Here they are. They were ranging from 90 rand until 180 somewhere there. And when I asked why are they different if they all do the same job, he told me it's probably because of who the manufacturer is or the brand or whatever. But otherwise, according to him, the salesperson, into you spray on the part, then the part get cleaned and stuff like that. Yeah, some had a straw that you link up with the spray thing, some don't have it. So at first I took the one that didn't have the straw, and then I had to take it back because the one without a straw was not convenient to use, and then the one with the straw, easy use, very easy use, as you will see when I do it on the car. But otherwise here I was just checking the difference, try to understand maybe in terms of the quality, the price and everything else. But believe me, same thing. And I ended up taking one that costed 100 rand because it had spray, and there was one that costing 180. Return the same thing, brake pads, parts, whatever spray. And then after that I decided to take a walk in the store just to check it out, you know, jumping cables. You might think you don't need these things, ne? Hey, believe me, you need them. You will need them. The medical, the emergency kit. Most new cars come with this thing, but the time that the car is sold on the second-hand market, this will be gone. Yeah, it's very important to keep this thing in the car, especially when you travel with kids. You must have this emergency kit. It's very important. I don't even have one too, but I'm telling you to have it. Yeah, I'm gonna have it. Who in their car have a fire extinguisher? You must have this thing, because you never know what's gonna happen. Buy the fire extinguisher, you know. Yeah, I took a walk in the store, checking things out, and realized, well, hey, there's a lot of things that we need that we think we don't need, like this air compressor. You think you don't need this thing, and believe me, the day shall come that you will need it. As a car owner, everything in this store, one day you will need. Right now, you're not even buying it or stressing about it because you think you don't need it. You think you don't need the air compressor. Hey, believe me, as a car owner, car driver, you need everything in this store. Yeah, I have needed the compressor, fortunately. My good neighbor had one. Yeah, I pump it up a little bit just to go to, you know, to get the tire fixed. Yeah, this one I don't need. My steering wheel is perfect. It's nice. I don't need all this steering wheel cover. Yeah, no, I don't need this one here, you know. But otherwise, a lot of things in this store. Everyone that owns a car should have this. This is the car wash kit. These guys I need. I need the car wash kit. Okay, subscribers out there, family members, na car wash kit. Come on, car wash kit. I do want something. That's why I'm lazy to wash my own car, because I ain't got no car wash kit. But if one of you guys can buy me a car wash kit, then I'm gonna wash my car every weekend and I'm gonna record it. Okay guys, I'm back in the car. Unfortunately, I couldn't film while I was making the payment, but I did make the payment, and it's very cheap, just 100 rand. There was one for 140, there was one for 180 and all that, but I opted for this one because it has this thing. I don't know what is this thing. Yeah, well, this straw that is going to feed from this to the brake pads is gonna make it easy for me, because the one that I took, 140, it didn't have this. So obviously this is gonna be user friendly for me. Yeah, brake pad and parts cleaner cleans away grease, dirt, all residue from brake linings, drums, discs, pairs, cylinders without disassembling the unit. Nice, because I don't know how to disassemble. Yeah, fast evaporating, none, whatever that is. Yeah, so I'm gonna drive home now, and when I get home I'm gonna do it. But let's check the direction. Important. There is one product which nobody ever read the instruction. Which product is that one? You know it. Anyway, let's continue. We are out. We are going home to do the thing on the brake pads and disc. Let's talk when we get there. Okay, we're home. Let's do this thing. Let's get the spray here. Unfortunately, I'm gonna have to film this myself. I'm gonna have to put the camera down so I can work on this thing. You know, unlike other YouTubers have Mamagas, no, we either have the PA, either have the Papi 150. I have got nobody to film me. You know, my boy is not here. He went to school. He would be filming. He will be doing the filming of the me doing the thing on the wheels. So yeah, I'm gonna put the camera down, prepare this thing, and then I'm gonna yeah. Okay, I'm done. I've connected the thing. This morning, this car was actually making a serious noise while I was driving, and then not at least, and this time it was coming from the back wheels. So I'm gonna start there. Yeah, let's see. I just don't know if I'm doing it right. Yo, hi, I need a Mamaga Snowy or a PA to film myself doing this, cause yo, hey, being too fat is a problem, cause now I can't even get down. But I hope you guys can see this, ne? I hope you guys can see this. Let me also come this side. Yeah, my Meg has got so many spokes, so it's not easy to see through what's happening, but I believe I've done. Well, let's go to the front one, and then let me get down, start here, come down here, and then but you know the drill, you know what I'm doing. Although you can't really see clearly what I'm doing, you have an idea. Like I said, I ain't got no Mamaga Snowy, I ain't got no PA, I ain't got no Papi 150. So yeah, I'm gonna stop filming now as I'm going to do the other two tires, you know, because I'm getting tired. Hey, bending down and spraying and filming is not easy using both hands. But yeah, I'm gonna go to this tire, then I'm gonna go to this tire. Let's talk when I'm done. Okay, I am done. I sprayed the thing in all the wheels. Yeah, and I also learned something. Look at this, look at the disc here, ne? It does not have that thing that looks like a cover here. It's just a disc. You see how this disc look, you see? But the disc at the back has got this thing, that looks like a cover. This thing, you see? I've got this thing. I was not aware that they're not the same. They are different. But because I had to do the spray, I learned that thing now. Yeah. So the instruction said I must let it dry before I drive the car. So fortunately, I'm still busy at work. I'm gonna let it dry. I'm gonna let it dry. I am going to let it dry. Then I'm gonna drive the car in about an hour or two, and then I'm gonna update you guys. And then if it continues doing the noise, I'm gonna spray again. And then if it continues, I'm gonna spray again. If I use all this thing and then there's no change, instead of taking this car back to the people, what do you call them, Wolfpack edition, I'm gonna just take it to Hyundai and tell them, good, I've got new brakes, new discs, but this car still making noise 4 months later. Please check. I don't know if it's gonna need new brake pads and disc, or I don't know what they're gonna do. But if it continues after this thing is finished, I am taking it to Hyundai straight. But right now, this is the end of the video. I'm gonna update you way late on the next video, which is going to be short, which is just going to be about this. But right now, at this time, is the end of the video about my car and its all disc and brake pads. And then in that moment, this is the time where I say thanks for watching, stay tuned, subscribe till I see you on the next one. Peace.